So now we will see how to convert a binary number into hexadecimal number, and in this example we are dealing with the whole number. So in this example we are given with the whole number 1001101 in binary, and we have to convert it into hexadecimal. So we know that 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So we will have the table that has 16 rows and 4 columns. So what we will do here is that, so just like the conversion of binary into octal, we made group of 3 bits. Alright, in the same way, in this example, we will make group of 4 bits. Why 4 bits? Because hexadecimal number is represented using 4 bits. Just like you can see here that the number from 8 till 15, they can be represented using 4 boxes, and one box is 1 bit. So 4 bits are used to represent a hexadecimal number. And octal number is represented using 3 bits. Just like we did the conversion of binary into octal. So there we made the table that has only 3 columns. So in this case we will have a table that has 4 columns because we are dealing with 4 bits. Alright. As we need 4 bits to represent a hexadecimal number, so we will make groups of 4 bits. And we will make the group while moving away from the decimal point. So remember I told you before that for whole numbers, there is a point towards the right side of the whole number that is invisible, and in mathematics we consider that there is a decimal point. But we do not need to mention it. So if we analyze the rule that we have to move away from the decimal point and an invisible decimal point is here at this point, so we will move away and we will make a group of 4 bits. So now we make a group that has 1101 and the remaining digits left are 100. So we will make the group while moving away from the decimal point. So while moving from right till the left. So now we can see that this group of 4 bits is complete. But if we look at this group, then it has 3 bits and we need 4. So what we will do, we will add a 0 to make them 4. Just like this. So now the groups of 4 bits are completed and no more digits are there in the example. So we will calculate their equivalent hexadecimal value by looking at the table. So first of all, we will find the binary value 0100 in the table. So where is the binary value 0100 in the table? Here is the binary value and it is equal to which digit in hexadecimal? That is 4. So we write 4 here. Next we have the group 1101 and we will find it in the table. So where is 1101 in the table? Here is 1101 in the table and it is equal to which value in hexadecimal? That is D. So we write 1101 as D. So now we have calculated all the values, so we can write the answer as 4D in hexadecimal. Or you can say that the number 1001101 in binary is equal to 4D in hexadecimal number system. So this is how the conversions are done of binary number into hexadecimal number.